Hey everyone, this one single update from Google Gemini is a game changer nowadays. The recent update included to have a new source in your Gemini chat. Let me show you. So you go to this add files. You already have these options like upload files, add from drive, photos, and you can import code already. But the new feature which is there, you see at the bottom, the NotebookLM. You can connect NotebookLM to Gemini. So click on NotebookLM. You will find your what you call your notebooks listed in the add sources or add notebook feature. So you can add your sources as per your plan. So if you have a pro plan of Gemini, you can add up to 300 sources from your NotebookLM. So let me show by adding some sources. For example, I am using this WordPress and AI, these two notebooks I had. So I have added these two notebooks. You can add multiple notebooks and tap on add. So these two sources from your NotebookLM is now a part of Gemini AI. Now you can interact with these sources as you normally do in Gemini. So for example, summarize how WordPress can be optimized. So you can ask anything and it will give you answer based on the sources that you have added. In this case, you have added sources from your NotebookLM. You have your own sources added to NotebookLM already, and then you can connect it. You don't have to re-add these to Gemini. If you have already added your own sources to NotebookLM, you can fetch data from NotebookLM and it will generate your response, generate the response. It may take some time to get it working. I mean, it will go through your sources, and because I already have a typo also here in this, so you can see it is analyzing the sources as it normally does, and it will give you the response based on the sources that it fetches from your notebook LM. So it's a pretty neat feature which can help you get better organization of your data, better organization of your notebook, and you can get the most out of your notebook. You can have notebook LM already set up. So it's just a game changer. You can create your response. You can create your, you see, so whatever response I'm getting is coming from the sources from notebook LM. So it's a win-win situation, and this is a quick update to try this out and you will get the better of it. Thank you very much. See you soon.